What is up, guys? Go ahead and like this video, subscribe up top or down bottom, wherever it's at. You'll get notifications for these projects as they move along. This is a 24-foot wellcraft that I am restoring the transom in, obviously. And I've got most of the wood all set. This came with one layer of plywood, but because of how the mold was, we got quite the gap between the outside skin and that piece of wood. And I am basically whack piecing some of the scrap we have together to fill these pieces, and hopefully put in a solid piece here, which I believe I have in the scrap pieces here that are left over. So if anything, I'll start from the middle, make sure that that's solid, and throw in the remainder afterwards. It looks like I've got it, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my template and keep it moving. And to do that, I'm using a glue gun, fancy, and a bunch of cardboard strips that I've got cut out here. Start by cutting all these tips off. So there's a tip, and using the glue gun to place these exactly where I need them to be. Trick here too is to line up your other side of the cardboard to some place you can use it for a corner. Less material and time. Okay, so this is the first piece. All of my pertinent points, all the points I need marked out, and so now I'll throw in a few supporting cardboard strips so the thing doesn't fall apart. You know what I mean? Okay, so those are my pieces, basically just making a spider web, and those will hold all my points in place without bending them too far out of whack. This glue gun thing holds up pretty well anyways, holds it together. So even with the cardboard, it's all floppy, but if you lay it down, it sticks, no problem. So I'll go ahead and get these other two sides that are left to fill in, and kind of move on from there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try to glass anything. I've got some lamps, but it's liable to rain, it looks like, and doesn't seem like the boat got wet. I'd be more worried about stuff being wet down here and draining from the front, but everything in here is definitely wet. So I don't know, I might check the weather again in a couple hours, see what happens.